Hello again guys, in this quick video let's discuss how to identify fake WhatsApp number. Okay, the first thing that we need to do and able to find or to identify a fake WhatsApp number, you must look out for a certain factors or indicators. First thing is you need to check to confirm if that number that reaching you on WhatsApp is fake or not, is to check the display status of that number. Okay, a fake number will most likely not have any form of personal details displayed on their profile or their about section. And their display picture section will either be blank or not have any personal picture in it. And the second thing that you need to know is if someone texted you on WhatsApp from a number that's starting from +1, there is a possibility that that account has been created using a software or application. Okay, remember there is a high possibility that any number starting with +1 can be fake. And lastly, make sure that every country and location has a way the phone number for that locality is formatted. And you can check it out for that number that you are suspecting. And if that code of that number that you're trying to connect with you on WhatsApp is not matching with the location of the phone number, then that number is most likely fake. Okay, I hope guys this video helps you a lot in identifying fake WhatsApp number. Keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.